Hi, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how do you send a message to someone on X. So before we start, I need to mention one important thing, that on X you can only DM people who follow you or who have their DMs open to everyone. Okay, so open X application on your phone, and in the bottom right corner of your screen you have to go to this letter icon that looks like this. That's your messages section. Now you want to tap new message button that looks like plus sign in the bottom right corner of your screen, and basically search for the person that you want to DM by typing their username. So start typing, and from the list that appears you have to select specific person, which will redirect you to chat with this person. Finally type your message, and when you're ready to send it, hit send button that looks like paper plane icon. So that's basically how you can send a message to someone on X. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.